Hey guys, welcome to my home. My name is Ruth Armstrong. I'm a surfer and photographer. Let's go explore Cape Town. Our first stop is going to be Dalebrook Pool for a little swim. There's a great culture of people coming to swim early and catch a sunrise at Dalebrook. Takeaway flat white. Thank you very much. Oh, hello, Simba.
It's one of my favorite things to grab fresh pastries and then go have breakfast with my family, especially on a Sunday. It's perfect.
My family has been coming down to this spot for as long as I can remember, and we're going to head to this little one just behind the red roof. I can see everyone hanging out on the deck waiting for breakfast. Thanks, Mum. Oh, the pastries came out a bit squashed.
What is actually
Marmite and barb roll. This is the way that she's raised us, always with a beautiful feast.
Yeah.
Okay, Mum, you guys can have for lunch. Come back.
Oh, my ears.
Our next spot is a farm out at Cape Point. It's called Lalapansi Farm, and here you can get scones baked on the fire. This is actually rooibos tea, which is indigenous to South Africa. Definitely a national favorite. This cream is hand whipped and it's apple cinnamon homemade jam. Today we are surfing Scarborough, which is the beach break that I have spent most of my life surfing, and have spent many days in the water here with my family. The conditions look super fun today. We've left the coast and we are at Constantia Eitzig to have a wine tasting experience. Cheers. We're back in the city from our day out on the Southern Peninsula exploring, and we are starving, so we're going to go find some food. Shall we go for a swim?
What I love about South Africa and specifically Cape Town is the incredible nature that it's surrounded by, and to have access to such beautiful and for the most part still quite untouched nature is such a privilege. Makes all the difference in feeling like, you know, you can get to know this place and you can create some feeling of home away from home.